السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. هالكani waa Nasuri channel. Ha ilaabin inaad channelka subscribe saartid, like, comment, share. Ha ilaabin walaalayaal haddii aad ku cusub tahay inaad subscribe saarto. Subscribe-ka waa wax igu muhiimsan. Haddii aad kamid tahayna Nasuri team waxaan ka codsanayaa inaad commentigaada kasoo dhiibataho yani waxa aad isweydiinayso inaad hoos ugu soo qorto. maanta waxaynu hayaa shan app يعني shan programyadaas oo haddii aad doonayso videoyaal fiican ambi kale waxyaabo technique haddii aad youtuber tahana youtuberadan isticmaalaan oo adigana haddii aad youtube ahaynin meel sawir meesha harta soo dhigi karto yani wax harta ka samaysan karto yani wax ku dari karto text aato waxa aad waxay rabto ay nooc oo ku samaysan karto shantaas app ay ku haya maantay. han ilaabin fadlan walaalay in aad haddii aad daawato videogan subscribe inay saarto channelka waadna ku mahadsantahay daawashadaadii. comment inaad kusoo dhiibi kartaa, like na haddii ugu dartana mahadsanid kala kusii dhahaa. daawasho wacan. waa soo gashay. markaad soo gasho waxaa ka daranaysaa PixArt wuxuu ka caawinayaa timeline waxaa lahaa videoga intaad daawanin sawirka ka hor yaala sawirka soo jiidanaya taas ayaa aniga
Just get you where you are, to the beat of my heart. I don't need a whole lot to be you and I rather give you the world or we can share my know I won't be the first one giving you all this attention. Baby, listen, I just need somebody to love. I don't need too much, just somebody to love. I don't need nothing else, I promise, girl, I swear. I just need somebody to love. I need somebody, I need somebody, I need somebody, I need somebody. Every day I bring the sun around, sweep away the clouds, smile from me. I would take every second, every single time, spend it like my last time. Step to the beat of my heart. I don't need a whole lot, over you I think I'd rather give you the world or we can share my. I know I won't be the first one giving you all this attention. Baby, listen, I just need somebody to love.
just hold on, hold on. And the telly sipping Henny and I got my robe on. And they know I'm throwing bullets. They were ready for that last drill, told us hold on. Going in no chill, but no. Hopping out, I got a man heading through the dash, celebrating life. Let's take it physical. Don't get left. I'll take extort you. Little more than 180 to force you. I can afford to. I'm gonna stay. Life I was given. Now we ain't shaking, don't think that I'm stepping out. Thinking my chicken, you mad? My bad. I ain't fucking 8,000. I'm still putting on for the block. Still on my way to the top. And I'm still in the pool. I really fuck with my mind. I ain't wasting no time. I'm focused on better in mind. But it's gon' one of your spots. Don't search from behind. This ain't one of a kind. It's the reason I gotta go on. Take 'em out to the hood, it don't matter the cost. 17 like it's short, but I'm rich in the board. See the haters and smack 'cause they hit our flaws. I think it's time to shine. I've been waiting so long. Broski serving time. And I promise I'ma do this shit for us. Just hold on, hold on. And the telly sipping Henny and I got my robe on. And they know I'm throwing bullets. They were ready for that last drill, told us hold on. Oh, they don't chill, but no cool. Body drop all the time, but I'm still finna kill some. Me and that still drumming on my lip. My niggas must get no credit, we tryna see comments on dead. I told my niggas we overly fine. I took off the brain for all them nights we went through pain. Rain, low TJ my name, you see what it say on the chain. I been doing my own thing. When it come to that money, I flip it like cocaine. Protein, I just hit it and up. I be shitting with no shame. And I been with that nigga for rapping with no chain. Where I come from, they toe thing. Little niggas out bugging, they shooting with no aim. We ain't never putting no pain. How the fuck you gon' tell your homie that's so lame? I won't never say no name. So my goal is to get to the top with the whole game. I think it's time to shine. I've been waiting so long. Broski serving time. And I promise I'ma do this shit for us. Just hold on, hold on. And the telly sipping Henny and I got my robe on. And they know I'm throwing bullets. They were ready for that last drill, told us hold on.